In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to tasks in Asana 5 minutes. First, let's get signed in. Open your browser and head to the Asana login page. Enter the email address associated with your workspace, then click Continue. On the next screen, type your password and select Login. If your organization uses single sign-on, just follow your usual login flow. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana homepage. From here, open the project that contains the task you're working on. In the project view, click the specific task to open its details panel on the right. This is where all the task's information lives: assignee, due date, subtasks, attachments, comments, and more. Now, scroll to the bottom of the task details until you see the Collaborators section. Collaborators are people who follow the task. They'll receive updates when there are new comments, status changes, or important edits, which keeps everyone aligned without needing separate messages. To add someone, click the plus icon next to Collaborators. Start typing the person's name, and when it appears in the list, click to add them. If you're part of a larger team, entering a few letters usually narrows it down quickly. You can repeat this for anyone else who needs visibility. As a tip, add only the people who truly need updates so notifications stay meaningful. You can also add collaborators using mentions. In the task's comment box, or directly in the task description, type the @ symbol, then begin entering the person's name or their email address. Select the correct result from the suggestions. Posting that comment will automatically add them as a collaborator and notify them, which is great for drawing someone's attention right when you share context or ask a question. Finally, remember, you can include collaborators while creating a new task. As you set up the task details, look for the collaborators field, or add them with an @ mention in the description or first comment. That way, the right people are looped in from the start and won't miss early decisions or files. That's it. You've logged in, opened your project and task, found the collaborators section, added people directly, and learned the quicker mention method. Use collaborators to keep stakeholders informed, assign clear ownership, and reduce back and forth. If someone no longer needs updates, simply remove them later to keep notifications targeted. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Asana.